Dear customers, thank you for waiting. We welcome you to the amazing world of LCOVE space-saving furniture. It is important to note that investment in furniture is as much an investment in space as in wood. Meaning, that there is a hidden investment in equivalent space in addition to the furniture cost. So if you buy a bad furniture, then you not only lose the aesthetics but also lose in premium space cost. So be very sure when you invest in a furniture. Live intelligently. One might think that the idea for a Murphy bed originated with the man it's named after, William Murphy. In fact, while it was Murphy's folding bed design that became popular in the early 1900s, fold-away wall beds had actually been around in various forms for a few decades before that. Since then, they've come quite a long way in terms of style, safety, and functionality. In smaller living spaces, space-saving wall beds are particularly useful. LCOVE space-saving wall bed for apartments and small spaces. LCOVE wall beds save you a lot of space. In micro condos and tiny apartments, LCOVE wall beds are essential because of how little space they take up. Even in larger living areas, the LCOVE space-saving wall bed unit can be quite convenient to have. By utilizing the unused vertical space on one of your walls, a wall bed takes up very little room and won't be in the way when you're not using it. Simply pull the LCOVE bed down out of the wall when you or your guests are ready to retire for the night. In the morning, the bed easily folds up to free up a significant portion of floor space. LCOVE only sells genuine, high-quality Murphy beds. Along with a warranty on the bed's hardware and its durable design, a Murphy bed is also the most comfortable modern wall bed you'll ever sleep in. You may be wondering how easy it is to open and close a LCOVE wall bed. With the innovative gas pump system, our Murphy beds are designed with branded wooden panels and hardware which makes it very simple to open and close the bed. They're also very safe to use and is as comfortable as a conventional bed. Customize your wall bed to fit your needs. Our designers can customize your wall bed to satisfy your tastes and needs, such as accessories and additional items like wardrobe and top storage loft boxes. These are some of the other custom options available as well. Single bed, queen-sized and king-sized wall beds can be designed as an individual unit or as part of a larger custom wall unit including wardrobe or study tables or open or closed storages. LCOVE uses its trademark designs and products like wall folding beds and table ideas to create amazing new functions and movements which when integrated with wooden panels offer a completely new and utility-based environment. So, when you are in need of transforming your space into a multi-dimensional, multifunctional, multi-utility convertible space, then think of LCOVE and get in touch with our design experts. Now you have an option of creating bed plus study plus playroom in the kids' room. Bed plus yoga room plus office room in the bedroom. Bedroom plus home theater plus storage in the guest room and many more options to play with. Get started now and create an awesome functional home for yourself and your dear ones.